Hello and welcome back to my channel. Cloning Windows 11 from an existing HDD to an SSD or M.2 NVMe drive offers many practical advantages, especially for performance and productivity. Here are the key benefits. Much faster boot time. Windows 11 starts significantly quicker on SSD/NVMe compared to traditional HDDs. Boot time can be reduced from 1 to 2 minutes HDD to 10 to 20 seconds SSD/NVMe. Improved system performance. Speed comparison approximate. HDD is 80 to 160 megabytes per second. SATA SSD is 450 to 550 megabytes per second. M.2 NVMe is 1500 to 7000 plus megabytes per second. No need to reinstall Windows or software. Cloning copies the complete system: Windows 11 OS, installed programs, drivers, personal files, settings, saves time and effort. First, go to the search option. Write Ease Use Disk Copy. Click Free Trial. After downloading the setup file, click Run as Administrator. After installing complete, double-clicks the Ease Use Disk Copy icon. Select System Migration, select Source Disk, then select Target Disk. Then select Next and click Proceed. After completing whole system cloning, click Restart and open Boot Priority, select Boot Option 1 and select New SSD or M.2 NVMe drive, then Save Change and Reset.